check it out. Nope, he's gone.
Hello. You will like it when I open and show you a toy.
Jude, where'd you go? Hey, buddy. Come here. Check it out.
Look it! Jude! Turned around and ran away before I even got it out of the box.
Jude! He's playing in the closet.
Ah.
Come here, buddy.
Look!
Wow, look at that. Oh, cool, dude.
Take that to Daddy. Give that to Daddy. Daddy will help you.
So no, I'm going to play with it first.
I know. But Daddy needs to help you open it. Oh, boy.
Wow. Oh, you getting dig?
Should we get more stuff?
Yeah.
Come here. Oh, Jude. Jude.
Him and Dig have run off.
What did I make
You probably need scissors or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't bring my purse. I was going to say mine's in my
I'll
purse.
give you scissors. Let's get that off there.
Wow.
Boy.
Oh, cool, dude.
You need scissors?
Wow. Little Elmo friend.
Jude, come here.
Oh. Nope, it's time to get the dog.
Okay, let's get the dog.
The dog and Dig.
Bye.
Going into the closet. Oh, cool thing.
Yay!
Come see.
Yay! Look at that.
Wow. No, he says, Daddy, gimme. Hello. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Okay. On.